नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट हों विष्णुपाद श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज. I was the editor of Bhagavad Patrika in that.
Indeed.
At that time, your Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, told me a story that I was manager of
Bengal Chemical.
Bengal Chemical
Medical.
Factory.
Medical.
After some time, I opened a new factory, but I failed. And then in Allahabad, I established a very big shop of medicine, and I used to make medicine myself also by formula. But after some time, it also fell. I was thinking that perhaps in Bhagavad it has been written that those who take shelter of Krishna, Krishna mercifully
Make them
takes his all
belongings.
sampati,
Material assets.
material
assets.
assets, everything, and makes them street beggar. I was fearing from this slope, but I was not giving up
Maya,
chanting and
remembering.
doing services of Krishna. But I am seeing that it happened.
They're taking everything from me.
Now I came to Mathura. I was penniless, and he was selling his some products himself,
Medicine.
medicines. I saw him in Mathura. I told, what are you doing, Prabhu? You should come with me in my temple.
No.
And forcibly I took his all luggages and brought him in my
Mathura
Mathura
Mutt.
Mutt, Kesavji Gauriya Mutt. I gave her room. And then, he stopped everything and he told that story. Then I told him that you are very, very intelligent and you are disciple of Srila Prabhupada, and he has told you to preach in English. So I think it will be better that you should take at once sannyas. Guru Maharaj, our coming to Mathura from Navadvip, very good occasion, you should take sannyas.
Vishwarup Mahotsav.
Then in the meantime, Guru Maharaj came, and I told also, requested my Gurudev that forcibly you should tell him to take sannyas. And then, anyhow,
Vishwarup Mahotsav. Vishwarup Mahotsav.
on Vishwarup Mahotsav day in Kesavji Gaudiya Mutt, I made her his danda, his clothing,
Cloth.
and I
Teach.
taught him to
How to use
how to use.
all this.
And Guru Maharaj gave him
Sannyas.
sannyas. Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj was doing kirtan.
Muni Maharaj.
eh?
Muni Maharaj.
Muni Maharaj took
And
sannyas
Guru
same
Maharaj
time.
also in
90
the
years.
age of
90.
90 he took sannyas with him. He told that if you are taking sannyas, then I must take sannyas. And both they took. And after that, he began to preach. He went to Jhansi to establish Math. But there was some litigation, so he left it. And then he came to Delhi. And from Delhi, he anyhow settled with Scindia Navigation,
Navigation.
that he wanted to
Bombay.
go to America.
From Bombay,
And then for New Jersey he went there
Boston.
Boston,
without any
money.
money. So, and preached here.
And Gurudev,
So I, Gurudev,
he brought Mahaprabhu Vigraha to
he
Kesavji
also he
Gauriya Mutt.
brought Vigraha from Jhansi.
And this in
And it
Mathura
is now
still,
established in Mathura, Kesavji
from that
Gauriya.
time.
Guru Maharaj was so bold that if anyone will criticize his Gurudev, at once he will stop his. Once a Nimbark Sampradaya from Vrindavan, they criticized Prabhupada. And then he told Guru Maharaj, take paper and pen. And I too, and he dictated. Nimbark,
There is no
only name, no person. Anywhere it is not written about Nimbark. So he is a Jali Purush.
4G.
Imagination.
Actually he was not. Only some his disciple, any disciple of, they established Nimbarka, and then by his name they have done something. Really he was not. And hearing this, they became very furious and they went to start a court case. But advocates told them, advise, don't do, otherwise he is
Very bold and very,
very
intelligent.
bold and
Intelligent.
very, like
Lawyer.
lion, he knows all laws.
Oh,
And
wow.
then they stopped. Also, once some Sahajiya criticized Prabhupada. He don't know rasa, bhakti rasa. Only he's
Chewing the
Chewing
pit of
He's
mango.
sucking the mango seed.
mango seed
Now
without
juice.
ras.
Now ras.
That is, he established only tattva, siddhant, no bhakti ras of conjugal. Then Guru Maharaj at once
Jumped.
opposed and gave argument, and so bad
So
he
strong
wrote
argument.
against them that they went to court and they did a court case of 1 lakh rupees for
Prestige hamper.
prestige hamper. But Guru Maharaj kept a very good
Lawyer from
advocate,
Calcutta.
and he told that I will prove. Then they were subsided and they began to
Ask
beg pardon.
forgiveness.
And then Guru Maharaj told that you should take off your case. And thus, so he was so bold.
Forgive.
He established mutt in so many places of India and in Bengal, especially Assam. And thus he preached all over world. Now,
Gaur
Gaur
Premanande.
Kirtan.